Hi, the next item that I've come across, my team alerted me to the fact, well, they said that booking across seasons, the price was jumping up. So I've gone to test that, and I haven't experienced that, but what I have experienced is that it's not applying different seasons. So you can see here that I've got a booking from the 19th of December until the 25th of December. So this is before the Christmas season and well into the Christmas season. But it's only got here that it's 6 days at $34. So if I come into this screen here, you can see that I've got the Christmas set up from the 21st until the 2nd. Summer is from the 1st of the 12th until the 20th. So 20th, 21st until the 2nd. So I would expect these different rates to apply. My admin has gone in and created the costing quite extensively with the off-peak, summer, Christmas rates. So drilling into these, maybe there is a setting wrong in here. I'm not exactly sure. I'm looking at it and it looks fine to me. So for, what did I choose then? Chose Christmas, and that's equal to a public holiday, and the rate is 47. So maybe we've set this up wrong, I'm not exactly sure, but if you could let us know, that would be great. Okay, thanks, cheers.